Well, this looks different. I'm standing and I'm actually wearing pants this time. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the very first episode of Propwash. This is a fast news segment all about drones and the UAV community, and we're just gonna get into it right now. So the first story for today is the Hubsan Zino. A lot of people have asked me if I had any intention on getting this drone, and I honestly didn't know it existed till just yesterday. So the Hubsan Zino is a portable drone that you can fold up, and it looks a lot like a combination of the Mavic Pro and the Autel Evo, only white. Now this is Hubsan's first drone that I would actually probably ever really consider. Although it does have a very limited range at 1 kilometer, and yeah, but it can shoot 4K, has a stabilized 3-axis gimbal, and it's sub $500. Now, if you go on Indiegogo right now, you can see that they funded $11,600 at the time of recording this video, and that's good for 39 backers. If you do the math, that's roughly just under $400 per backer. Now, I don't know what the official price will be when this actually launches, but it looks really promising for anybody who doesn't want a DJI or other product or unique. Oh, that was me looking for unique. Let's talk about something that is really gaining a lot of traction lately, and that's the fact that the government now has the authority to shoot your drone out of the sky. Yeah, so basically it's PET. Potential emergent threat is what they're calling it. And if they deem that your drone is a threat, they have the authority to shoot it out of the sky. Now, I don't know where the gray area is or what, they will potentially claim a drone to be a threat, or if you have the authorization to be there, if they're going to walk up to you and give you like a warning. But yeah, a little scary that they're just going to shoot a drone out of the sky. Potentially, I can see this being something like if you're at a protest and you're flying your drone over crowds, which you're not supposed to do anyhow, they could shoot it out of the sky. I don't know why they would do that over a crowd, but yeah, they could do this to sort of limit journalists from being in areas they shouldn't be, sort of like, I don't know, Standing Rock, they were flying drones over there to sort of see what was happening with the crowds. I don't necessarily agree with this rule, but I do agree they need to do things to basically prevent drones that are rogue from being in areas that they shouldn't be. We'll have to sort of see how this all plays out and continue monitoring that situation to see if anybody or a law enforcement officer with a bad day shoots a drone out of the sky. That would totally suck. While we're on the subject of drones dropping out of the sky, HBO has taken matters into their own hands, or lack of hands actually. They're using a laser to basically take control and disable drones that are potentially coming into the set of the final season. That's right, they're taking it very serious. They don't want any spoilers for the final season, and honestly, I don't blame them. You've made me wait almost a year and a half, 2 years for the final season. I don't want it ruined by drone shots or clips. I don't even want speculations. I'm avoiding it at all costs. But the stars have basically talked about drones coming onto the set and them being able to bring it straight to the ground, like something that you would expect from the Red Witch to do, like to the ground. But you won't find any spoilers from a drone because they are way on top of it, using a technology that costs about $30,000 to disable any rogue drone that comes within the vicinity of HBO's filming of Game of Thrones. But anyways, that's gonna do it for the drone news this week. I'll be back again next week with more news just like this. So if you aren't already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. And if you want to, check out my other videos here and here. I do videos every week, so maybe something will interest you. I don't know, just hit the like button at the very least. Anyways, that's gonna do it. I'm Original Dobo. Stay original. I'm not gonna hit the camera this time. I'm just gonna bow. I'm gonna